Imagine stepping into a time machine that doesn't just take you to the past, it lets you live in it. That's exactly what the 2027 retro-style RV feels like. The moment you see it, your mind floods with nostalgia, rounded edges, two-tone paint, chrome details shining in the sun, and that classic vibe that makes you want to throw on vintage sunglasses and hit the open road. But don't be fooled, this beauty might look like it rolled out of the 1970s, yet under the hood, it's pure 2027 innovation. Inside, it's a perfect blend of old-school charm and futuristic comfort. Picture this: plaid upholstery, warm wooden cabinets, and soft amber lighting, all designed to make you feel at home wherever you park. But hidden in the details are touch panels, solar integration, and a smart climate system that adjusts automatically to keep you cozy on chilly nights or cool on hot desert mornings. It's like someone took a classic camper, whispered, "Let's make it smarter," and brought it back to life. Now, here's where it gets even better. The 2027 Retro RV isn't just about luxury, it's about freedom. With its compact design, it's perfect for solo travelers, couples, or even digital nomads who dream of turning highways into home. It's lightweight enough to tow almost anywhere, yet roomy enough inside to stretch out, cook a full meal, or even stream your favorite retro movies from the built-in projection system. And let's talk about the kitchen. Tiny, yes, but genius. The retro-style knobs and pastel finishes hide a full induction setup, smart fridge, and even a fold-away coffee bar. It's like they knew that mornings on the road deserve real coffee and real peace. Step into the bathroom, and you'll find clever storage, a water-saving shower, and soft vintage tiles that make every detail feel like a personal touch. Outside, it's built to turn heads. People stop. They stare. They ask questions. And when the golden sunset hits that polished chrome trim, it's impossible not to smile. It's the kind of vehicle that makes you fall in love with travel again, not for the destination, but for the feeling of getting there. And for those dreaming of off-grid life, this RV has you covered. Solar panels on top keep your power running, the battery pack lasts for days, and the eco-engine design means fewer emissions and lower costs. Whether you're parked by the ocean, in a forest clearing, or downtown, it fits every mood. It's not just a camper, it's a statement. A reminder that style never goes out of fashion, and adventure never gets old. The 2027 Retro RV captures the heart of the past and the mind of the future. It's nostalgia reimagined for a new generation of travelers who want simplicity, sustainability, and that undeniable spark of vintage magic. So if you've ever dreamed of rolling through life with class, comfort, and character, this might just be your ride.